Good afternoon, dear students. Last class we were discussing about a concept called call scripting, and we learned what call scripting is. Today we are going to learn about another concept which is used in customer relationship management, that is web-based self-service. Now, what is web-based self-service? As the name suggests, it is self-service. That is, there is no executive or there is no customer representative person who represents the organization to support us to resolve our queries. നമ്മളുമായിട്ട് സംസാരിക്കാനായിട്ട് ഇവിടെ ഒരു കസ്റ്റമർ സർവീസ് ഏജൻ്റ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കില്ല, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഓർഗനൈസേഷൻ്റെ കമ്പനിയുടെ റെപ്രസെൻറ്റേറ്റീവ് ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കില്ല. But what we will be doing is we will be communicating with the web or the internet. There will be some predefined answers which will be there in the system, which will be saved in the system. The mostly asked questions by the customers or the mostly raised queries by the customers will be noted down by the organization, and they'll be keeping a system for that. They'll be recording the answers in that system and they'll be keeping it with them. And when a customer asks a query to this web, they'll be directly giving the answer. So in this process, there won't be any customer representative person, but the web will be answering the queries of the customers. This process is called as web-based self-service. So it is a electronic support system, or we can call it as a e-support system. Here the customers or the employees, they can access the information which is there with the organization to resolve their queries or doubts over the internet. They can interact with the internet, they can give questions, they can collect answers for that. That is all about the web-based self-service. So in short, web-based self-service is something which the organization uses instead of their customer service agents to give answers to the mostly asked queries or mostly asked doubts of the customers.